Welcome back to another video here on my channel. So today I will be showing you a secret that 99.9% of you probably didn't know. Okay, so I know there are many secrets, like where you spawn the mythic meteor shower. You can also get like a free royal jelly, like, you know, stuff like that. But this one's a big secret. No, I didn't do this one right. Okay, so this one is like really secret. So first you need a parachute to do this. And you need 10 bees. Well, you have to have 10 bees if you want a parachute. So yeah, so you have to go 12 bees actually. So you have to go here to get 12 bees. Then fire the cannon and like right there around. Put on your parachute. You will get right there. And be careful, you could get teleported off. No, I fell off. Damn it. Oh, wait a minute. I found something. Okay, guys, that's a free ticket. 5 tickets! I need tickets. Yes! Oh, yes, I really needed that. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness I got that 5 tickets. Oh, yes. Okay, so if you're wondering why I need tickets, it's because I have 24 bees. And, you know, if you get 25 bees, you can fight Mondo Chick. And Mondo Chick is, like, so good. So that is why I need to finish this, and I have to wait like 1 more hour for this. So I either need to finish that quest and defeat 2 spiders, or I can be careful or you'll get teleported off. Stay on this side. So I can either finish that quest, or I can do something better. I can so I have 33 tickets. I'm saving up to buy a golden egg. So then I could get 25 bees, and yeah. But if I finish that quest, I could still get the golden egg. So it's either a silver egg or a golden egg, but I think I'm closer to the silver egg. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this does not look like any normal Bee Swarm Simulator place. This is the back of the map. And I don't know where it is, but I remember my friend once said that there was like something really funny in this hole, but I don't know where the hole is, so I forget where the hole is. I think the hole is like here. As you can see, it's very glitchy. No, it's not here. So you just want to find a spot that kind of looks like this. Okay. forget where everything is. So this video might take a while. What's this? Oh, wait a minute. Imagine if I just found like a mythic egg. Dude. I'd be like, what the? Because guys, this is like, I don't even have that much legendaries. Well, actually 5 is pretty good. I don't even know what this is. I don't even know if this was supposed to be found. Wait, is this the back of the blue headquarters? Dude. Oh my god. I'm still a bit mad because I could have gotten an atomic treat, but the code just expired in September, at the end of September. So yeah. Okay, I wonder if here you can find like a golden egg or something. I really hope you can. Yeah. Okay, I mean, if I reset character, then I lose all the pollen in my bed. I've actually never reset my character. I just reset my game. I love the game. So if you find the hole, well, I haven't seen what's in there, but it's probably like really funny. Pretty sure you could like, just know that you probably want to find the hole. Could be like the funniest thing of your life, but it could not be. Well, like there's a chance that it might not be. How big is the map? I can't believe it. I think they got rid of the hole. Damn it, I got teleported back. So, as you guys can see, that's what the video is about. There's a secret place back there. It's pretty cool. So, see you in my next video.